Hello my friends, welcome to Dave's Skillet. Today's recipe, we're going to do something different. We've done this before, Rio brand. This is corn and tuna salad. Now I did another one from this company. This one is going to be with corn, tuna fish, carrots, green peas, black olives. They've got corn seed oil. I don't use corn seed oil. I use olive oil. I use vegetable oil. I use other types of oils. But I've been in the stores and tried to find that stuff. Not where I live. Maybe if you live in a big city. But out here, not going to happen. I would have to order that online and hope Amazon carries it. So there's that. Now, like before, basically I just open this up, would have a look at it and say, well, that was nice, that was yummy, and then I replicate it. And that's what I do over there, is I replicate this right after I eat some of it. So we're gonna open it up, take a look at it, because I don't know what this one looks like. Ooh. Looks nice, doesn't it? Yeah. Guess what Dave's having for lunch? I'm having this salad. I used to take these to work. I've said that before, but I'll say it again for those who haven't seen these. I used to buy these. It was John West was the brand name, which apparently those are kind of hard to come by unless you're in Europe. Oh well, that's the way it goes. I don't know why they stopped making that stuff and selling it to us over here in America, but why? Why? Come on. John West and all the rest, wake up. Yeah, bring it to us. I don't get it. It's leaking through. It's okay. I wouldn't go out of my way. I don't think I would buy it a second time because honestly, I can make this salad for a whole lot less than what they sell this for. This is like $6. So, okay. And it's only, what is it? 5.5 ounces. That's not very much. It's okay. I think it needs some S&P on it. Just happen to have some. Sea salt and pepper, my concoction. Makes it a whole lot easier when you need some S&P. You just put it in a jar like that. Sea salt and pepper. There you go. There's a hack. Hack. See what that tastes like now. See if that improves the flavor signature here. Yep. That's better. So I'm going to go over here and we're going to make some. And I'll be honest, 5.5 ounces, I'll be making a lot more than just 5.5 ounces. The corn, peas, and the carrots, you buy those, you know, in a tin on their own. That's probably like 8 ounces right off the bat. Plus whatever the amount is on the tuna fish, which is more than 5.5 ounces, I think. I'm not quite sure. But when you start combining all the ingredients together, I'm going to use olive oil. I'm not going to use their oil. What is it? Corn seed oil. I'm going to use olive oil. Okay. And I'll put some S&P in it. That'll be my spice. And I think mine's going to be better. We're going to see. Let's go along. Have a look. It doesn't look like a whole lot when you take it out of that tin. But there it is. As for the ingredients, you can freeze the camera, freeze the footage on your thing. Just hit your space bar. And then you can read those ingredients for yourself. And yeah, I'm going to replicate that. That's easy. I think if you had to, in a pinch, you could improvise and use something like that. And that would be okay. That would be all right. But I don't think I need to do that since I have 2 tins with the magic ingredients, peas and carrots with carrots. Oh, excuse me. And I got corn. So I will just put these 2 tins in the bowl. And we got some bumblebee. Perfect. That's all you need. That's basically, that's it, really. So I need a bigger bowl because we're going to make it bigger. Now I've taken to the liberty of putting pasta with the recipe. So much better. But some people can't eat pasta. I get that. And that's kind of, well, that's the way it goes. Yeah, you can't. If you can't have pasta, try to find some gluten-free. They do make it. Yeah, we got to drain the tins because we don't want all that water. That water's a bit much. And there's ingredient number 1. Look familiar, right? There you are. It is so easy to do. Whew. And we'll drain the corn as well because it sits in those tins for gosh knows how long, you know. So I don't really want that to go on. We'll give that a good stir. It's looking familiar. I got to get the black olives, don't I? Gosh, I almost forgot. Wouldn't be like me, would it? We'll get the black olives. Wow, I don't think we need to put all of it. But we need to put some of it. I'll put about half. Something like that. We'll give that a good stir. It's looking like it. It's looking like it. Although I think I got more olive than they got in theirs. And mine looks prettier. Just saying, doesn't it? It does look prettier. Although, let's see what it looks like. We'll be fair. We'll put the tuna fish in it and see what we got. Spoon that right in. Now, I'll be fair. I think I'm actually adding more tuna fish than they did. I'm just saying. I think I got a bit more than they got in theirs. And I am going to add some olive oil to this. Then we get that all blended up. It's starting to look familiar, isn't it? Oh, we're doing some magic here. Let me tell you. Wow. I think mine will taste better. I know they got some seasonings in there I can't pronounce. That's all right. That's fine. But you are the chefs of your kitchen. So if you think you want to add some kind of spice to it, looking for some kind of flavor, hey, you go ahead. You are the master chef of your kitchen. And you can do as you want. This is just my rendition of that. So, wow, how's that looking? I don't think I need a lot. Okay. And I think, I don't know if I'll put S&P in it, but I'll probably put some salt in it because it needs a little bit of that. So I'm going to just add a little bit of sea salt. Not a lot. This jar is about empty. So I know I'm not going to overdo it. So we get that stirred up. We get that oils stirred up into it. I'll tell you what. You could put some Italian salad dressing in there if you wanted to. I've done that before, and it does work out pretty good. I put some of that Ken's in it, and I will say it was pretty good. You could put some Ken's in here or whatever vinaigrette you like. Why not? Now, look how much I got. Oh, wow. And compared to what they give, wash this out. Wow. So I'm going to put mine in their container. I didn't do this last time, but just, you know, for comparisons, I'm going to fill this thing up as much as I can with what they gave. And that's about right, isn't it? Here. I'm being generous here because it is kind of, I think, a lot. Okay. You can see how much I've got left over. It's quite a bit more, right? So this is what happens when you make your own. That's good. You usually wind up with more than what you get from some tin. I'm not going to knock these. These are good, and they did fill me when I had them for lunch and all that. But as you can see, that's the difference. Huge difference. So, yeah. I'll put that back in the mix because this doesn't hold very much. And we're done with that. And like I said, if you want to add some kind of salad dressing, you are the master chef of your kitchen. Go right ahead and knock it out. I'm going to try this. I'm curious. Oh yeah. I'm going to put some S&P in it. Not a whole lot. Just a little bit. A couple pinches. And that's it. Yeah. That's looking good. So corn and tuna salad. That looks good. I'll try a sample now. I got to compare it. There's the salt here. They got more salt in theirs than I got in mine. I have a little bit. You saw that. Comparatively, this one is saltier, and I didn't show that last time either. But the last one I did, again, theirs was saltier than mine. But that's because I'm choosing not to put tons of salt in it. And they put tons of salt in this stuff. And when you make it yourself, that's so much better. So, that's my lunch. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell thingy, and you'll get more of my recipes coming up. I've got a lot more of these to do. Now, I got John West recipes. This was Rio Mare, and I'm going to do John West's recipes. There's like 6 of them, I think. So, minus these 2 that I've done from Rio, because they're pretty much the same thing. But that still leaves me 4 more. Yeah. Subscribe. You're not going to want to miss those. Heck yeah. Have a good day, my friends. We'll see you next one.